living room. Wow, this is really spacious. I have the kitchenette area right here. As soon as I enter, I can already witness a very nice, spacious. Hello everyone, welcome to Housey. I'm Ranjita and today we are here at Nambiar District 25 by Nambiar for a sample flat tour. Well, we will let you know a lot in detail about this project, but before that, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developers, thereby giving you the best bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing companies, whereby you do an inquiry, your number will be passed on to multiple brokers, resulting in a lot of calls. But Housey is one such platform where listing is done directly by the developers, so you can book your dream home directly with the developers through Housey. So before giving you the project overview, let me show you the location. So right now I'm standing outside the sales office of Nambiar District 25 by Nambiar, and we can also look at the neighborhood of this location. Talking about the project overview, Nambiar District 25 is located at Mutnallur Cross of Sarjapur Road, and it is constructed in the land parcel of 104 acres. In phase 1 it will be 8 acres and each consisting of 6 towers with 2 basement, ground and 33 floors each, and also available in 2, 2.5, 3, 3.5 and 4 BHK variants. Talking about the connectivities to this project, that is Nambiar District 25, upcoming metro station is just 2 minutes away, Wipro is 5 minutes away, Forum Mall is within 15 minutes away, Electronic City, Manipal Hospital and the Prestige Tech Habitat is just 20 minutes away, and the outer ring road connectivity is just 25 minutes away from this project. Talking about the amenities that Nambiar District 25 by Nambiar has to offer you, they have to offer you many luxury amenities which includes 7.5 acres of clubhouse, so you can imagine how huge and spacious it would be, and also they have to offer you the jogging track, gym, swimming pool, multi-purpose court and many more. Now let's go have a look at the sample flat. Right now we are standing outside 3 BHK sample flat of Nambiar District 25 by Nambiar, which is located at Mutnallur Cross and off Sarjapur Road, and it is of 1936 square feet. Let us have a look at the sample flat. So as soon as we enter, I can already witness a very nice and good looking foyer area right here, and it's quite spacious for me to easily able to walk inside the house. And as soon as we enter, we will continue to have a look at the living room. Wow, this is really spacious and beautiful, I must say. As you can see, it's quite spacious right here, and also you can see the TV unit area right here, and opposite to that there is sofa space as well. And right opposite to the living area, I have the kitchenette area right here. As soon as we enter, they have set up a small space right here as a mini dining area, but you can customize it as per your needs. And as soon as we enter, we have the refrigerator space that's right here, and also a quite spacious and nice kitchenette area. As you can see, there's a sink area here, and there are good amount of space above as well for your any sort of cutlery units and things like that. And also right after this, there is an utility area that you can see right here, and it is extended to outside as well. There's a door which leads to outside of the utility area as well. This is the utility area which is attached to the kitchenette area. Now let us have a look at the bedrooms. So as we continue to go forward, we can have a look at the bedroom number 1. So let's have a look at the bedroom number 1. But before that, there's a common washroom that's right here, which you can see with anti-skid tiles and high-end sanitary fittings. And that leads us to the exit of the washroom. So the moment we exit the washroom, we enter to bedroom number 1. So as soon as we enter the bedroom number 1, you can see there is a really good amount of space right here just to enter the bedroom in itself. And also there's an attached washroom to the bedroom number 1 with anti-skid tiles and high-end sanitary fittings. So with the exit of an attached washroom, here we are having a look at the bedroom number 1. Wow, this is really spacious, nice and beautiful and very compatible to be your guest room or kids bedroom, I must say. As you can see, a spacious bedroom number 1 right here. You can easily accommodate your king or queen size bed, and right opposite to the bed space you have your TV unit space, or you can use it as your reading space or working space as well. And alongside there is a good wardrobe space right here, and also there is a very nice breezy half or partially slidable windows, and this leads us to the exit of bedroom number 1. And let us now have a look at the bedroom number 2. So as we continue to go from bedroom number 1 to bedroom number 2, rightly I said it's a 3 BHK sample flat. As I've already informed you, it's a 3 BHK sample flat. So now let's have a look at the second bedroom. Wow, this is really nice, ample and very beautiful, I must say. As soon as we enter, we can already witness a very nice bedroom number 2, and there is an easy space for your queen size bed, and alongside the bed space there is bedside lamp space as well. And even after accommodating that, there is good amount of space for me to walk around. Wow, this is a really nice couch space that's right here, which is very apt for your evening coffees. And there is half or partially slidable windows as well. And right opposite to the bed space, there is also the wardrobe space, which is also quite spacious and nice. So right opposite to the wardrobe space, we also have TV unit space, which is also very nice and good amount of space, I must say. So now let's have a look at the bedroom number 3, that is the master bedroom. As soon as we exit the bedroom number 2, we will continue to go via the living room. But how did we not forget to show you the balcony? Now let's have a look at the balcony. Wow, this is really nice, spacious and huge balcony, I must say, and it's very apt for your walks as well because it's quite spacious. And this is the attached balcony to the living room. As you can see, they also have the wooden flooring and it's quite spacious and nice. As you can see, there is another door right here which is attached to the living room itself. Since the living room is quite spacious, they have 2 slidable doors in order to enter the balcony area. So this was the balcony area. Come, let's have a look at the dining area. So the moment we exit the balcony area, we've already seen the living area, and right opposite to the kitchenette area, I have a very spacious and nice dining area. As you can see, I'm easily able to walk around the dining area even after accommodating a 6-seater dining table. So it is that spacious, nice and very good looking or beautiful, and you can alter this or customize this as per your needs. Now let us have a look at the third and the final bedroom, that is the master bedroom. But before showing you the master bedroom, let me tell you what actually Housey does for us. In Housey, we give you sample flat tours. In Housey, we give you exact location tours. In Housey, we will let you know pros and cons of each project. In Housey, we will give you full pricing inclusive of EMI and down payment. Last but not the least, we will give you 360-degree virtual tour of the project. If after all this, you would like to book your free site visit today, then go simply click on the link mentioned in the description box below, and that will lead you to the registration of housey.com, and you will be able to register your free site visit. So what are you waiting for? Go book your free site visit now. So now let's have a look at the master bedroom. Wow. As soon as I enter, I can already witness a very nice, spacious, good-looking master bedroom. It can easily accommodate your king or queen size bed, and alongside the bed there is good space for lamp as well. And also right opposite to that, there is a very nice space for your wardrobe, and it is quite spacious, I must say. And even after accommodating the wardrobe space, there is powder area right here, which you can also use it as your both powder area as well as the reading or working space. And also there's an attached washroom to the master bedroom, with anti-skid tiles and high-end sanitary fittings. So there's also an attached balcony to the master bedroom. Let's have a look at the balcony area. As you can see, as soon as I enter, I can already witness the wooden flooring, and it's a very quiet, spacious and nice balcony and very apt for your evening coffees and morning chais. So this was the 3 BHK sample flat of Nambiar District 25 by Nambiar, and if you would like to book your free site visit today, then go register yourselves on housey.com, and also you can download the e-brochures of this project by clicking on the link mentioned in the description box below. And before going, do not forget to subscribe to housey.com for more details and project updates.
So everyone, this was the 3 BHK sample flat tour of residential project Nambiar District 25 located in Muttanallur Cross off Sarjapur Road by Nambiar Builders.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.